thiazolidinediones, the rosiglitazone, pioglitazone, and this class of the drugs are included in the this category. In this category, activation of the gamma isoform of the peroxisome proliferation activated receptor. So ultimately, in this class of the drug, activation of PPAR gamma, it means it is the isoform of peroxisome proliferation activated receptors, and this is the gene receptor. So ultimately, the modulation in the gene, and which gives the effect in the body, that how it plays the important role in how the body metabolize the glucose. Got it, student? So this is the mechanism of thiazolidinediones, and the side effect is, as it is like fluid retention. That's why edema and weight gain, the hepatic failure or hepatic dysfunction. This increase the risk of the fracture in the elderly women. In failure, oral contraceptives drug may occur. These are the side effects of the thiazolidine. Now the other class is the alpha glucoside inhibitors. In this category, the acarbose delays in the digestion of the indigested carbohydrates. It result in the less rise in the blood sugar level after the meal. Ultimately, it is we can say this is the competitive and reversible inhibition of intestinal enzyme, in which કે જે કંઈ આપણે ઇન્જેસ્ટ ફૂડ કર્યું છે એમાં કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટનું જ્યારે એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન જેટલા અમાઉન્ટમાં થવું જોઈએ એટલું જ થવા દે છે, એન્ડ ઓર ઇટ ડિલે ધી પ્રોસેસ કે 3 અવર્સમાં કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટનું મેટાબોલિઝમ થઈ જવું જોઈએ. સો ઇટ ડિલેઝ ધી પ્રોસેસ, એટલે કે જેટલું 3 કલાકમાં જે ગ્લુકોઝ બને છે એની જગ્યાએ 5 to 6 અવર્સ consume કરશે. So ultimately, they slow the digestion of carbohydrates and delay the glucose absorption. This result in a smaller and a slower rise in glucose level after a meal. So this is the mechanism action of alpha glucosidase inhibitor. The side effects: diarrhea, abdominal pain, or gastritis. These are the side effects. Now, glucagon. It is a polypeptide containing 29 amino acids. It is secreted. This is the synthetic biosynthetic of the glucagon, and it gives the opposite effect of the insulin. It's secreted by alpha cells of the islets of the Langerhans, but glucagon has been isolated from the stomach and intestine. It has been glucagon-like the properties. Glucagon is inactive orally. The glucagon released from the pancreas is broken down in the liver, kidney, plasma, and the other tissue. This is the metabolism of the glucagon. Now, what is the mechanism that how glucagon work in the body? When there is a fall in blood sugar level and a rise in the plasma amino acids, at that time they stimulate the release of the glucagons by the alpha cells activation. It produces the glycogenesis, due to which there is the rise in the blood sugar level. Release of the ultimately the glycogenesis, it means whatever when we consume any kind of carbohydrates, then it is breakdown in the liver. At that time, whatever glucose is generated, the some amount of the glucose is stored in the body. So by this way we body use that glucose at a later time. So this process is the glycogenesis. The glucagon is destroyed by the proteolytic enzyme of the gastrointestinal tract, so it is given by the injection. Most of the time IV route is preferable. Glucagon hydrochloride injection is given IV or subcutaneously dose in the case of 0.5 to 1 mg. It is used in the treatment of insulin induced hypoglycemia or hypoglycemic drug. It is used in the cardiogenic shock and in diagnosis of the pheochromocytoma. Pheochromocytoma, it is a one type of tumor which is developed on the chromaffin cells of the body, which produce the hormones necessary for the body to function properly. So ultimately the pheochromocytoma, that is a tumor originated in one of the two adrenal glands located above the kidney. So then availability, this is the marketed preparation.